In this video, we are continuing with the spheres. Now, he has given us the figure like this. This figure is comprising of two figures. One is hemisphere, another is cone, and the third one is the cylinder. He's saying that the adjoining figure represents a solid consisting of a cylinder surmounted by a cone. That means a cone is placed at one end and the hemisphere at the other end, right? Given that the common radius is 3.5, okay? So R is 3.5 for hemisphere, for cylinder and for cone. It's a common radius. And the height of the cylinder is 6.5. Height of the cylinder is given 6.5 centimeter. And the total height is given, total height of this figure is given 12.8 centimeters. He wants us to calculate the volume of this solid. Now, how do we calculate the volume of this solid? We can calculate it as volume of hemisphere plus volume of this cylinder plus volume of this cone. Now, for cone, we know the formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. R we can find. For cylinder, the formula for volume is pi r square and h. We have both. R square, R we have, and height of the cylinder also is given. Then for cone, it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. R is given, but h is not given. So, we can calculate the height of this cone. How? We know that this part is also 3.5 because it's a hemispherical figure. So, if this is radius 3.5, this is also radius 3.5, right? So, 3.5 plus 6.5, if we subtract that from 12.8, we will get this height. That will be the height of the cone, right? So, let's say that the height of this cylinder is 6.5 and small h be the height of this cone, and we can calculate this as 12.8 minus 3.5 plus 6.5, right? So my height of the cone will become 12.8 minus 10, which is equal to 2.8 centimeters. So I have calculated the height of the cone, which is equal to 2.8. Now I can calculate the volume of this solid. How? Volume of this solid is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube plus cylinder is pi, r is common, that's why I am writing the same r square and capital H, because H we have said that height of the cylinder, plus 1 by 3 pi, r is common, r square, and H is the height of the cone. Now let's see what we can take common here. Pi r square. So if we take pi r square common, what is left inside? Here we have r cube, so 2 by 3 r, plus here pi r square common, only h, plus pi r square common, so h by 3, right? Now let's substitute the values. Pi is 22 by 7, r square is 35 by 10 into 35 by 10, and here it is 2 by 3 into 35 by 10, plus h is 6.5, plus here h is 2.8 divided by this 3. So finally 7 5s are 5 2s are 2 11s are 5 7s are 5 2s are. So 7 into 11 is 77 upon 2 into 5 7s are 5 2s are. So 7 2s are 14 upon 6 plus 6.5 plus 2.8 divided by 3. So this will be 77 upon 2. 14 divided by 6 is 2.33 plus 6.50 plus 2.8 divided by 3 is 0.93. So if we add all these, we are getting 2.33, 6.50 and 0.9367739, so 9.76. So finally we got 77 by 2 into 9.76. So that is 77 into 9.76 divided by 2, which is equal to 751.52 divided by 2, which is further equal to 375.76. But he wants us to calculate it to correct to nearest integer. So what is the nearest integer? That is 376 centimeter cube, right? All right. Now the next one is the figure in which we have a cylinder, a cone and a hemisphere, right? The adjoining figure represents a solid consisting of right circular cylinder with a hemisphere at one end and a cone at the other end. Their common radius is 7. So R is 7. The height of the cylinder and cone each is 4 centimeter. Okay. So you can say that capital H for cylinder is 4 centimeter and small h for cone is also 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter and h is also 4 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid. Now simple, we know how to calculate volume of cone, which is 1 by 3 pi. R is common, R square, and we have said that let small h be the height of the cone, plus pi R square capital H be the height of the cylinder, plus hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi R is common cube, right? So what do we take common here? Pi R square. So we have h by 3, small h by 3 inside, plus capital H, plus 2 by 3 R, right? So let's substitute the values. 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. H is 4 by 3 and this is also 4, plus this becomes 2 into 7 upon 3, right? So volume is equal to 7 and 7 will go. So 22 into 7 is 154 into, you can take 3 as LCM here. So 4 plus 4 3s are 12 plus 7 2s are 14, right? So your volume is equal to 154 into 12 and 4 is 16. So 16 and 14 is 30. 30 divided by 3. So 3 tens are. So your volume is equal to 1540 centimeter cube.